There are butterflies everywhere. As you can see, we've got little ones, big ones, foiled ones, stamped ones, all kinds. Let me go through this. We have butterfly stamps. There are 19 silicone stamps and just gorgeous. What can you do? Well, you can stamp on heat-resistant acetate. And if you just want to do one color, that's fine. But how about if you want to do white and pink and yellow and blue and layer them like so? How fun is that? And those little butterflies, Dazzles, well, we have them in 2 other colors. Another thing you can do with this stamp, of course, is to stamp it on pattern paper. Just gorgeous. So we've got that. We also have 32 foiled fancies butterflies. Wow, look at them. And as you know, these are a heavyweight material. They've been foiled, they've been embossed, they've been die cut, they've got everything. Every single package is going to have ideas on the back of it. And here are just a couple to do with the foiled fancies butterflies. You can use them as they are, and they're gorgeous and they're lightweight. You can also just rub them with an ink pad, a StazOn ink pad, and look at the dimension that you're going to see. You can also do many of the coloring agents on them. You can use Inka Gold, you can use mousse, you can use gilding polish. You can also stamp directly on them. And do you see those lighter areas? Well, first we sanded to reveal the silver underneath. So it's sanded, it is colored, and then it's stamped on top. How pretty is that? Very, very neat. Okay, that's foiled fancies. Our little stamp, you can mix it with the butterfly dazzles, and I'm going to show you that we have 2 sets in this collection. We have the purple and we have the black with that silver foiling, and they will fit right in the stamp, but of course they work beautifully by themselves. Now we've got embossing folders. We have Flutterby butterflies. You can emboss onto vellum. Isn't that gorgeous? And look at that cascade of butterflies, just really beautiful. And of course, as an embossing folder, you can do it on paper. And then we've done some mousse or Inka Gold over the top of it, just beautiful. We have big butterflies, giant butterflies. This is an embossing folder, and you can emboss it as you would normally think. Isn't that pretty? And you can color it in. Or you can also emboss on aluminum foil. That's right, just in your kitchen counter. And look at how that looks. Color it in, color the foil, whatever you like. Finally, just to make everything complete, we have some greetings, because with all of these butterflies, you're going to want to say happy birthday. You might want to say best wishes, thanks, hello, or hi. Everything is here. All of this, we're going to back up again. 442 butterflies, wow, plus the stencils. All of this has a retail value of nearly $49. But for you, it's only $16.99. Oh my gosh, $16.99. That's less than the cost of just the stamp by itself. But you know the deal. It's today only.